Most people don't think about their kidneys until a blood report shows high creatinine or a doctor raises concern. But the truth is, your kidneys are affected every single day by small food choices you make without realizing it. In this video, I'll share 3 common spices that can gently support kidney filtration and help them work more efficiently, naturally. Why kidney cleansing matters. Your kidneys are among the hardest working organs in your body, yet they operate quietly in the background every single day. Their main role is to keep your internal environment balanced. They continuously filter your blood, removing waste products, excess minerals, and toxins, then safely eliminate them through urine. When your kidneys are functioning well, this process happens smoothly and efficiently without any noticeable symptoms. Problems begin when kidney function starts to slow down, often gradually and without pain. As filtration becomes less efficient, waste materials and excess fluids can begin to accumulate in the body. This buildup may show up as constant tiredness, puffiness or swelling in the feet, ankles, or face, water retention, difficulty concentrating, or subtle changes in urine color and frequency. Because these signs develop slowly, many people dismiss them as normal aging, stress, or minor health issues. At a deeper level, reduced kidney efficiency places added pressure on the nephrons, which are the tiny filtering units inside the kidneys. Each kidney contains millions of nephrons, and they are responsible for cleaning the blood. When nephrons are repeatedly overworked or damaged by inflammation, oxidative stress, or metabolic imbalance, they do not easily regenerate. Over time, this loss can reduce overall kidney function and increase the risk of long-term kidney disease. This is why early care and protection are so important. Kidney cleansing does not mean extreme detox programs, aggressive flushing, or restrictive remedies. In fact, harsh detox methods can do more harm than good. True kidney support is about gently reducing the daily workload on your kidneys and helping them perform their natural filtering role more efficiently. This includes staying well hydrated, maintaining balanced blood sugar, reducing excess salt and processed foods, and using supportive foods and spices that work in harmony with kidney function. Small daily habits make a powerful difference over time. When supportive choices are repeated consistently, they help maintain better fluid balance, reduce waste buildup, and protect kidney tissue from ongoing stress. By supporting kidney health early and gently, you help preserve healthier blood chemistry, smoother filtration, and stronger kidney function as you age, without shocking or overwhelming the body. 1. Parsley. Parsley is often overlooked as just a decorative herb, but in traditional nutrition and herbal use, it has been valued for its kidney-supporting properties. One of parsley's key benefits is that it gently encourages natural urine flow. This helps the kidneys release excess water, sodium, and waste materials that can otherwise build up in the body and place extra strain on kidney filtration. By supporting this gentle flushing action, parsley helps reduce the workload on the kidneys rather than forcing them to work harder. This is especially important for people experiencing early kidney stress, mild fluid retention, or rising creatinine levels. Unlike harsh detox methods, parsley works in harmony with the body's natural elimination process. Parsley is also rich in antioxidants and protective plant compounds that help shield kidney cells from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when harmful free radicals damage tissues over time, and the kidneys are particularly sensitive to this type of damage. In aging adults or those with early kidney imbalance, ongoing oxidative stress can slowly weaken nephron function. Parsley's antioxidant content helps counter this process and supports long-term kidney resilience. Another advantage of parsley is its mild nature when used correctly. It does not shock the system or cause sudden fluid loss. Instead, it provides steady, supportive benefits when included regularly in small amounts. This makes it suitable for people who want to protect kidney health without triggering dehydration or electrolyte imbalance. However, moderation is essential. Parsley should be used as a food or a light herbal tea, not as a concentrated extract or supplement. High-dose parsley products can be too strong for sensitive kidneys and may cause unnecessary stress, especially in people with chronic kidney disease or those taking medication. Parsley tea recipe. To prepare a gentle parsley tea, take 1 small handful of fresh parsley and rinse it thoroughly under clean water. Lightly crush the leaves to release their natural compounds, then place them in 1 cup of hot water. Allow the mixture to steep for about 5 to 10 minutes, keeping the tea light rather than overly concentrated. After steeping, strain the leaves and drink the tea warm. It is best consumed earlier in the day, as parsley supports urine flow and may increase nighttime urination if taken late. This tea can be enjoyed 2 to 3 times per week, not daily. Used this way, It gently supports kidney flushing and filtration without overwhelming the kidneys or disrupting fluid balance. 2. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a familiar kitchen spice, but it also plays an important supportive role in kidney health, especially through its effects on blood sugar and circulation. One of the biggest hidden stresses on the kidneys is unstable blood sugar. When blood sugar stays high for long periods, it increases inflammation and places extra pressure on the kidney's filtering units. Cinnamon helps improve blood sugar balance by supporting better insulin sensitivity. When blood sugar is more stable, the kidneys do not have to work as hard to filter excess glucose from the blood. Over time, this can reduce strain on the nephrons and help preserve kidney function, particularly in people with prediabetes or insulin resistance. Cinnamon also supports healthy blood flow. The kidneys depend on steady, well-regulated circulation to filter blood efficiently. Poor circulation can reduce oxygen delivery to kidney tissues, making filtration less effective. Cinnamon contains natural compounds that support smoother blood flow, helping nutrients reach the kidneys while waste products are filtered out more efficiently. Another key benefit of cinnamon is its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory action. Oxidative stress and low-grade inflammation are common contributors to kidney damage, especially as people age or live with chronic conditions. Cinnamon helps reduce this oxidative burden, protecting kidney cells from gradual damage and supporting long-term filtration health. The most important thing to remember with cinnamon is dosage. Small daily amounts are enough to provide benefits. Using more does not increase effectiveness and may create unnecessary stress on the body. How to use cinnamon safely. Cinnamon works best when used lightly in food or warm drinks, such as sprinkled on meals or added to tea. About 1/4 teaspoon per day is sufficient for most people. There is no need for supplements or concentrated extracts for kidney support. If you have chronic kidney disease, are on dialysis, or are taking medication for blood sugar or blood pressure, cinnamon should be used cautiously. Avoid cinnamon supplements and avoid high daily doses. Certain types of cinnamon, when taken in excess, may stress the liver and kidneys. Cinnamon is not a treatment or cure for kidney disease. It is a supportive food that works best as part of a balanced, kidney-friendly diet and under medical guidance when kidney function is already compromised. 3. Dandelion. Dandelion has been used for generations to support the body's natural detox pathways, particularly the liver and kidneys. While many people see dandelion as just a weed, its leaves and root contain compounds that help the kidneys manage fluid balance and waste removal more efficiently. One of dandelion's key benefits is its gentle support of urine production. This helps the kidneys release excess water and metabolic waste without forcing aggressive flushing. When waste products remain in the bloodstream for too long, they increase the filtration burden on the kidneys. Dandelion helps reduce this buildup gradually, making the filtration process smoother and less stressful. Dandelion is also rich in antioxidants that help protect kidney tissue from oxidative damage. Oxidative stress slowly weakens kidney cells over time and can accelerate age-related decline in kidney function. By helping neutralize free radicals, dandelion supports healthier kidney cells and more stable long-term filtration. Another important role of dandelion is its support for fluid and mineral balance. The kidneys must carefully regulate electrolytes like sodium and potassium. Dandelion works gently with this balance rather than disrupting it, which is why it has traditionally been used as a mild, supportive herb rather than a harsh detox agent. When used correctly, dandelion does not shock the kidneys or cause sudden fluid loss. Instead, it supports steady detoxification and kidney comfort, making it especially helpful for people who feel bloated, heavy, or sluggish due to fluid retention. How to use dandelion safely. Dandelion is best used as a light tea, not a strong extract. Steep 1 teaspoon of dried dandelion leaf or root in 1 cup of hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. Strain and drink warm, preferably earlier in the day. This tea can be taken 2 to 3 times per week, not daily. Gentle and consistent use is more effective than frequent or concentrated doses. If you have chronic kidney disease, are on dialysis, or have been advised to limit potassium or fluid intake, consult your doctor before using dandelion. Avoid concentrated dandelion supplements, capsules, or detox blends, as these can be too strong for compromised kidneys. Dandelion is not a cure or replacement for medical treatment. It is a supportive herb that works best as part of a kidney-friendly diet and under medical supervision when kidney function is reduced. How these spices help the kidneys. These spices do not act like harsh detox products or quick cleanses. Instead, they support the kidneys in a gentle and natural way. By encouraging healthy urine flow, supporting blood sugar balance and reducing oxidative stress. They help the kidneys perform their normal filtering role more efficiently. Over time, waste products such as excess minerals, metabolic byproducts, and uric acid can slowly build up in the body. When this happens, the kidneys must work harder to maintain balance. These spices help reduce that burden gradually by supporting steady waste removal rather than sudden flushing. Another important benefit is improved blood filtration. The kidneys rely on good circulation to filter blood properly. By supporting smoother blood flow and reducing inflammation, these spices help blood pass through the kidneys more effectively, allowing waste to be filtered out with less stress on kidney tissue. When used consistently in small amounts, these spices help maintain overall renal balance. They support fluid regulation, protect kidney cells, and help preserve nephron function over time. Their benefit comes from regular, moderate use, not from large or concentrated doses. Who can benefit? These kidney-supporting spices may be helpful for adults over the age of 40 or 50, when kidney function naturally begins to slow and the body becomes more sensitive to waste buildup and fluid imbalance. They may also benefit people who are monitoring creatinine levels, uric acid levels, or early signs of kidney stress. Supporting the kidneys early can help slow further strain and maintain healthier filtration as the years go by. Anyone who wants to protect kidney health naturally can benefit from including these spices as part of daily meals or light herbal teas. They are especially helpful when combined with a kidney-friendly diet that focuses on hydration, balanced minerals, and reduced processed foods. For people with existing kidney conditions, these spices should be used carefully and in moderation, always alongside medical guidance. When used appropriately, they can support overall kidney comfort and long-term renal health. These spices are meant to support kidney health, not replace medical treatment or professional care. They work gently alongside healthy lifestyle habits, but they are not cures for kidney disease or substitutes for prescribed medication. If you have chronic kidney disease, kidney stones, are on dialysis, or are taking medication for blood pressure, blood sugar, or kidney function, it is important to consult your doctor before using herbal teas or increasing spice intake. Even natural foods can interact with medical conditions when used incorrectly. Moderation is essential. Using large amounts or concentrated supplements does not improve results and may place unnecessary stress on the kidneys. With kidney health, more is never better. Small, consistent amounts are always the safer and more effective choice. Simple daily use tips. For daily support, add fresh parsley to your meals such as soups, salads, or cooked dishes. This allows you to benefit from its gentle kidney-supporting properties without overdoing it. Use cinnamon lightly in food or warm drinks like tea or porridge. A small sprinkle is enough to support blood sugar balance and circulation. There is no need to use cinnamon supplements or large daily doses. Dandelion is best taken as a light tea 2 to 3 times per week, not every day. This provides gentle detox support without disrupting fluid or mineral balance. Along with these spices, staying well hydrated is essential. Adequate water intake helps the kidneys flush waste more efficiently and allows these supportive foods to work more effectively. Healthy kidneys are not built overnight. They are protected through small daily habits repeated consistently over time. Simple choices in the kitchen can quietly support your kidneys and help them function more efficiently as you age. Which of these spices do you already use in your daily routine? Let me know in the comments. Save this video so you can come back to it and follow for more simple food-based tips that support kidney health naturally.